In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your YouTube Studio account. I'm going to be showing you how to open a YouTube channel if you don't have one already and you're thinking of creating one. So I'll dive right into it now. The best and easiest way I found to do this is to open the Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser that is very popular, whether it's on your phone or on your system. You want to download the Google Chrome. And once you've done that, you want to sign in with your Google account. And let's assume you're signed in. I do not want to use this one as an example because it's an email that I've already used to create a channel already. So I have this other Gmail. So what you want to do first is go to YouTube directly. If you're using your system, then you come to this part here, click on it, then go to YouTube. And once you're on YouTube, you move to the top right and you're going to click on this picture, most likely going to be your picture showing at the top. Then once you click on it, you want to look for YouTube Studio. You can see it right here. So once you click on YouTube Studio, then you're actually in the back end of your YouTube channel. So this is where you're going to be uploading your videos. This is where you're going to be making all the changes you need to make on your channel. So after you have done this, the next thing you want to do when you are here is to customize your channel. And to do that, let me go back to my dashboard. To do that, you want to move your mouse to this point here, scroll down, look for customization, then click on it. Then when you click on customization, you can upload your banner. The banner is what will show behind your video, your profile picture. If you want to change it, you can upload that. The name of your YouTube channel here, you can also do that. The handle, what people will see, okay, this is also where you can change that. Then the description, what your channel is about, you can put that in here as well. Then I think you can also add links to your website. If you're a business owner, you can add link to your landing page or your sales page here. If you want people to be able to contact you, you can also add your email address. Then the last thing is the video watermark. This is to make your channel branded. Basically, it shows people your logo, whatever you want them to see. It could be your picture as well. So once you do all this and you hit publish, then all the changes will be made. And it's as simple as that. The other thing I can show you is when you want to upload, you can come to content, click on upload videos, select files. It's going to basically take you to your system so you can select the video you're uploading and put in all the information. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Quick, I need to let you know, if you're a service-based business owner making about 20 to 50K per month, and you really do not want to begin stressing yourself about creating a YouTube channel, posting videos consistently because you have better things to do in your videos, but you know that you should use YouTube for your business, then I encourage you to click the link in the description, book a call with me, and I'm not only going to help you produce your content, I would also make sure that the content you're producing are generating results for you in terms of revenue, booked calls if you're a coach, and even cost sales. So make sure you check the description. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe so that the algorithm can push this video to other people, and have a wonderful day. Bye.